Welcome back to Automotive Drive Avenue. Today, we're talking about one of the most respected names in superbike engineering, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4. For years, the RSV4 has been the crown jewel of Aprilia's performance lineup, a bike born from racing DNA and refined for the road. And in 2026, it evolves once again, sharper, faster, and more intelligent than ever before. Before reviews starting, like and subscribe to the Automotive Drive Avenue, your go-to channel for the latest reviews, deep dives, and updates on the most thrilling machines in the motorcycle world. Let's dive in and see how Aprilia has perfected its masterpiece for the next generation of riders. Design and authentics. At first glance, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 is unmistakably Italian, sleek, aggressive, and aerodynamic from every angle. Aprilia has refined its bodywork for even better airflow and stability. The fairing features a new integrated winglet design, inspired directly by MotoGP technology, improving downforce at high speeds without adding unnecessary drag. The triple LED headlight setup, complete with adaptive cornering lights, gives the bike a futuristic look while improving visibility on twisty night rides. The tail section is sharper, the tank is more sculpted for better grip under braking, and the seating position remains track-focused but slightly more comfortable for longer rides. Every inch of the RSV4 screams precision, from its carbon fiber accents to the hand-finished aluminum frame. It's not just built to perform, it's built to impress. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 RSV4 lies Aprilia's legendary 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, one of the most celebrated power plants in modern motorcycling. For 2026, it produces an incredible 218 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute and 125 Newton-meters of torque, all managed by a revised ride-by-wire system for razor-sharp throttle response. The engine meets the latest 6 Euro Plus emission standards without compromising performance thanks to improved combustion efficiency, lighter pistons, and an optimized titanium exhaust system developed in partnership with Aprilia. The 6-speed gearbox comes with a refined Aprilia Quick Shift (AQS) system, ensuring seamless upshifts and downshifts both on the road and at the track. This power, combined with the RSV4's lightweight chassis, delivers explosive acceleration, a top speed north of 305 km per hour, 190 miles per hour, and the kind of soundtrack only a V4 can produce. It's not just fast, it's mechanical symphony perfected. Technology and features. The 2026 RSV4 is as smart as it is powerful. Aprilia has packed this superbike with the latest generation of Aprilia Performance Ride Control, APRC, a suite of electronic systems that manage traction, wheelies, engine braking, launch control, and cornering ABS. The 6-axis IMU constantly monitors the bike's position, ensuring the perfect balance between control and excitement. The RSV4 also features multiple ride modes, including track, sport, and individual, allowing riders to fine-tune power delivery, suspension behavior, and traction settings. Optional extras include a semi-active Alene Smart EC 2.0 suspension, which automatically adjusts damping in real time based on riding conditions. Simply put, the RSV4 2026 is not just a motorcycle, it's a data-driven performance machine built for the future. Handling and comfort. Handling has always been the RSV4's strong suit, and the 2026 model refines it even further. The bike uses a twin-spar aluminum frame, adjustable swing arm pivot points, and fully tunable suspension geometry, features that are typically reserved for race bikes. The new lightweight forged wheels reduce unsprung mass, improving agility, while the Brembo Stylema brakes provide unmatched stopping power and feel. Despite being a hardcore superbike, the RSV4 has been designed with surprising comfort in mind. The updated seat padding, adjustable foot pegs, and optimized handlebar reach make longer rides more bearable without losing that pure track bike feel. Aerodynamics have been tuned to reduce rider fatigue at high speeds, meaning you can stay tucked and comfortable even during extended sessions on the circuit. Riding experience. When you fire up the 2026 RSV4, the sound alone sends shivers down your spine, the deep, throaty V4 rumble building into a spine-tingling roar as you twist the throttle. On the track, it's an absolute weapon. The chassis feels planted and precise, the electronics are seamless, and the power delivery is as smooth as it is explosive. The front end communicates perfectly through corners, and the rear tire hooks up with confidence under hard acceleration. Every input feels natural, like the bike is an extension of your body. On the road, the RSV4 surprises with its civility. Cruise control, smoother throttle mapping, and improved heat management make it more practical than ever. But when the road opens up, it transforms into the beast it was born to be. It's a motorcycle that rewards skill, demands respect, and thrills at every twist of the wrist. The legacy of Aprilia. The Aprilia RSV4 has always been more than just another superbike, it's a product of Aprilia's relentless racing heritage. Since its debut in 2009, the RSV4 has dominated superbike racing, collecting multiple World SBK championships and setting performance benchmarks for rivals around the world. The RSV4 introduced the world to the concept of compact V4 engines in production bikes and has been a technological pioneer ever since. In 2026, it continues that tradition, carrying the DNA of decades of racing excellence and innovation from the track to the street. Upgrades in 2026. The 2026 RSV4 introduces several important refinements and updates over the previous model. Revised aerodynamics with integrated MotoGP-style winglets. Enhanced APRC electronics package with AI-based predictive traction management. Lightweight forged wheels for better handling. Improved TFT interface with higher resolution and updated UI. Weight reduction of 3 kilograms, improving acceleration and corner agility. Together, these upgrades make the 2026 RSV4 sharper, smarter, and faster, the most advanced RSV4 ever built. Who this is for? The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 is built for riders who demand nothing less than the ultimate in performance and precision. It's for enthusiasts who live for track days, aggressive canyon runs, and the pure thrill of a superbike engineered to perfection. If you crave Italian design, cutting-edge electronics, and the unmistakable sound of a V4 engine at full song, the RSV4 is your dream machine. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 is expected to start around $22,999, with the higher spec factory variant, featuring Öhlins suspension and carbon fiber trim, priced closer to $25,999. Deliveries will begin in mid-2026, with availability across major global markets. Final thoughts. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 represents the pinnacle of superbike evolution, a perfect fusion of power, precision, and passion. It's a machine built for those who don't just want to ride, they want to feel every heartbeat of the engine, every corner carved, every straight line conquered. With its refined design, upgraded performance, and unmatched electronics, the 2026 RSV4 isn't just keeping Aprilia's racing spirit alive, it's defining what the future of superbikes looks like. Thanks for tuning in to Automotive Drive Avenue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the world's most exciting motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe, ride fierce, and keep chasing the horizon. Motorcycle Fire.